Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ada. Today I'm going to show you how to extract audio on phone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen and go ahead and download the CapCut app. And after you download it, please make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get back to the CapCut right here. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Just go ahead right here to this video, for example, right? And this video contains an audio. So in order to extract the audio, I'm gonna just click on the video right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just swipe right, and you're gonna see right here, swipe right, and you're gonna see right here next to the motion blur in the replace, you're gonna see extract audio. Click on it, and basically the audio is extracted right here, and you're gonna hear the video while you are playing it. Right now, what I'm gonna do, if you want to remove the noise, just go ahead and click on the audio right here to remove it, and just go ahead right here and click on delete. All right, and basically what's gonna happen, the audio has been removed and you won't hear a voice within the the video itself. And what you're gonna do next, if you want to export it, just go ahead right here and click the export at the top right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit save to device. Basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.